We finished eating. We're back out at the pike spot, searching for that glorious over 40 pike. Clock is ticking. We only got one day left here tomorrow. So if I don't pull off a 40-incher between now and tomorrow, that's it. We're gonna have to wait till next year. Let's make it happen. Let's make it happen. I'm gonna start right where I left off with. I lost my other one, but here's another Daredevil Fire Tiger spoon. And we're gonna catch some pike. Get down to the nitty-gritty. It should be prime time for pikes too. Should be prime time. Late afternoon, dusk is where it's at. Cast number one, the dusk fish. Oh, first cast. First cast, I got something. Feels tiny. Oh, maybe not. It dragged me into a snag, dude. That was weird. I had a fish, and then I was snagged. Oh, and there he is again. He came back. What? Well, that was interesting. Oh, dude, it's battling. Feels like another decent pike. Yep, it is. Oh. 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 Man, these fish fight. Oh, don't fit. Oh, that was. Oh. Just another healthy pike, dude. One after another. Healthy pike after healthy pike. Can't beat this kind of fishing, folks. You just can't. You just can't. They still. Oh. Can I use your plier thingy? Thank you. So that's another nice, healthy, chunky pike. I mean, what more do you want? I'm curious to see how big this thing is. 18 or 18 and a half?
18.
18? Alright. Cast number one of the after dinner fishing got me a nice pike. Get a good release on it. Off he goes. Yeah, buddy. Let's do it again. Alright. Oh, I got a tap. It's every cast. It's freaking every cast. Sunglasses or your glasses? I don't see anything. Oh, I got one. Just insane, dude. Every cast. That's 3 in a row now. Actually, would be 4 in a row. I had one follow and jump out of the water at my lure. I didn't hook him. But every cast has a fish on it. Following it. Possibly biting it. Oh, this one feels hefty, dude. Another upper 20 maybe? Possibly 30? No, another upper 20. Man, they fight so hard. Fish that stay in the damn current all the time. Oh, easy release. Got off. Trying to get the net. Oh well. It was a fun fight. Good arm workout. Oh. Looks like little head shakes. It's a Pike. Yet another. This one doesn't want to go, huh?
Got a little more backbone on the other one.
Oh yeah, he's an upper 20s beef boy. He's a beef eater. Oh yeah. Looks like a 27, 28.
Stop it.
It's a nice fish. It's a nice fish. Oh! I got one. He doubled up. He doubled up again. That's a nice fish, dude. That's probably close to 30, dude.
Probably to eat them.
Throw him on the
This would be a good eat.
throw him on the tape. See what what his length
They
is.
can keep them up to 1 3/4.
He might be bigger. Oh, dude, this might be a good fish, man. No, it's about the same as yours.
Huh?
I got one. Oh, dude, not good. Not good.
This is a good eating size.
Yeah. Yeah. This fish. Let me get the net. Are you putting them in the box? Don't mind me, I just have a fish on my line. Can I have the net, please? Thank you. Nice. Off he goes. It's the best release possible.
That runs under here.
Yeah.
It's to stop that water from running.
Yeah. Oh.
That's a snag, dude.
You had a fish, but it might have pulled you through.
That's a snag.
I told you, it was a fish that pulled you over the ledge.
Over the edge.
Yep. It's crazy, dude.
Hope it's a walleye. For all that.
Be nice. It seems like it's not doing the pike dance.
Yeah, it feels like a walleye.
Oh,
It is a walleye.
it is. Hell yeah. It's an 18. That's an 18, dude. That's what we're here for. Hell yeah. That's 18 on the nut, on the money.
Pretty close.
Or 17 and a half. 17 and a half. Yeah.
17 and a half.
Yeah, buddy. Should put water in there.
Yeah. That was weird. I had to go up to the top of the boat to get him over the fucking edge.
That's crazy. I knew it looked like a fish because the way the bobber went down was a fish. Is that Stevie over there? I think it is. There we go. Oh, snot rocket. Can I get the tools? Thank you. Chill, buddy. Another pike. Snag the ledge again. Did you lose your jig? Did you get it back? Hey. Oh! Backlash. That's my pike lure. Pike lure's gone.
Oh.
That sucks, dude. Oh. Okay. Camera wasn't even rolling. Camera wasn't even rolling. That's a big fish. Oh,
Hold on.
I got it. Yeah. Another big one. Too bad I just lost my other lure, but in turn I threw this one and got a big one. So it was like, was it meant to be? Strangely. Alright, he's loose.
Probably a keeper.
No, he's too big, I think. Let's measure him.
I think he's a keeper.
Let's measure him. I know. There he goes. Ow. It's a pup. Is it a walleye?
Yes, it is.
It's a big walleye. It's a big walleye, dude. It's way too big to keep. But that's a beast, dude. That is a beast. Look at the size of that walleye. That's over 24, possibly.
No,
It's at least 24.
it's big.
It's a nice walleye, dude. $24. Oh, yeah. What is it? 22? Huh? You got another one? Sure do. It's like right off the end of the boat, too. Oh, he's not pulling drag. He's not shooting. He's doing the walleye thing. It's another nice walleye, dude. I don't know. It looks big to me. It looks like a 20. Looks like a 20, dude.
Oh, dude. This is excellent.
This is. What happened?
My wrist hurts like a motherfucker, dude, holding these things. Ow! Then you stabbed me?
So I got the fish scrapers. There's fish.
The big boys come out at night and play.
Yeah, you do. $21 and a half. It's another nice walleye, man. Got one?
Well, you set my hook if I didn't.
You could have lost
Feels
him.
like a walleye. Don't want to come up. I'm in the freezer. Oh, it's a nice walleye. It's a nice one.
pike stopped biting, but the walleye are cranking. The walleye are cranking. Look at the head on that thing. Jeez. Jeez.
Can't pick you up. That's a dog, dude.
Look at the size of that thing. You dream of catching walleye like that.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Beautiful.
For Lake Erie, that's a nice one.
Well, all I gotta say is that was yet another amazing day of fishing. Tomorrow's our last day. Hopefully we can make it count like we did today. I would like to catch a 40+ inch northern, but we'll see what happens. I lost my best pike lure for doing that. I'm down to narrow options, so we'll see how tomorrow goes. But I hope you guys are all enjoying the Canadian series. Nick the Piker. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.